Hey Team Memphis, greetings from the WG Huxtable pumping plant near Marianna, Arkansas. Just had the honor of hosting a wrench turning ceremony with many of our partners involved in this project, to include the St. Francis Levee District of Arkansas, the contractor Fairbanks Morris, some congressional delegations, and of course, our terrific employees that work at this very pumping plant. This is an incredibly important project. It's one of approximately 150 projects that we have ongoing in the district, and just thrilled to see this kick off over $30 million that we're going to be put into this plant to replace the engines that you see behind me. And to kind of briefly walk you through the history, the importance of this pumping plant, and what this project, this active project to replace these engines includes, is Mr. Jarius Strope, our project manager for this project.
The WG Huxtable pumping plant serves as a vital component of the St. Francis River Basin, protecting communities, key industry, and some of the most highly productive farmland in the world. The plant was authorized in 1950 by the Flood Control Act and was put into service in 1977. The key component of the pumping plant is the power provided by the 10 Fairbanks Morris 4,000 horsepower engines like the one you see behind me. Currently, we just awarded a contract to Fairbanks Morris Defense in the amount of $33 million. The rebuild will address needed repairs and 40-year service interval maintenance required for these engines. In addition, the rebuild will re-baseline the engines to new condition and will provide modern, updated controls to ensure the plant's reliability to serve its mission and provide flood control for decades to come.
Just one more example of project delivery. One more example of Team Memphis winning. Thanks for what you do, SA Ons.